Welcome back to another video, guys. We're gonna hop right into it today. We have a new trailer on the channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you know we said goodbye to the old one. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put it up here somewhere on the screen. Make sure you go over there, follow me so you don't miss daily updates on things that we're doing. We're going to be trying to post some more on this channel, more than once a week if we can do it. But we have a new trailer. The old one was a 16-foot stag trailer, and it had the fold-down ramp gate. And I will say there are some new toys that we're going to need this trailer for. So I'm going to go around here, show you a couple things that I like, some things that I dislike. But this is a Kodiak 18 by 83 flatbed utility trailer. So this one's a little wider, it's quite a bit longer, and we got rid of the gate. So let's start off on the tongue here, and the first thing that you'll notice is that we have the bulldog style coupler, which is different. The old trailer, they're both 2-inch balls, but the old one was just your standard. It's supposed to be better, it's supposed to hold up better and be more secure, so I guess we're gonna have to find out. It does have a basic jack. I'm kind of disappointed. I like the base on it. It's a little more sturdy, but the jack itself, the old one, I'm gonna put a picture up here somewhere on the screen, but the old one was able to flip up and down, which I really liked because you didn't have to crank it all the way up. And one of the third things up front here that I do not like with this trailer, the grounding cable is right up here on top. I'm sure it's going to get rusty. If you hit it with anything, you're going to snap it real easy, so we may be relocating that here in the future and pushing it back up under the iron a little bit so that way we don't have any issues. But I'll push you in here so you can see it. But here is the grounding. I'm disappointed with the quality. It's not even shrink wrapped, so we're definitely going to be adjusting that and making sure it's good to go. Alrighty, so this is going to have the heavier duty channel going all the way down. We do have the dual twin axles, 3,500 pounds with a single brake. We needed that extra brake. We're going to be hauling a lot more weight than what we're used to, so the brake's definitely going to come in handy. See the donkeys here, but they're back there chilling, kind of a rainy day. And on the back of the trailer here, once again, we got rid of that gate. Now the Ford 8-inch tractor that we have is about 3,000, maybe a little more pounds. We put that brush hog in the back, 35, and we were putting quite a bit of stress on that gate. The mesh that was on it in between your steel rails was starting to bow. So it was definitely time to get rid of it, especially now that we're going to be hauling a lot more weight. Now the old trailer had LED lighting, which I really liked. It was the white face LED lighting. It was all protected. This one sticks out here and it's just your basic bulb. So more than likely we're going to be replacing this, getting some better lights. That's going to get broken. And the ramp location is going to be interesting. Now the ramps are on the back of this trailer. They can be built multiple ways. The other trailers that are the same brand that I've looked at had the ramps on the side. There's no difference really, but if we do have something hanging off the back of the trailer, it will make putting the ramps back in just a little more difficult, but we'll kind of see how it goes. So once again, the ramps are on the back. It does have this nice little locking mechanism. They're just going to slide out. And they're going to go on like that. The only thing that I'm going to miss about the gate is having the full width when we're loading certain equipment, especially with only 3 wheels, your tricycle style. You're able just to go up and down. With this, we're going to have play a little more trickiness here and see how we can do it, but this is going to work a lot better for what we need. So that's going to wrap it up. Just wanted to hop in here, show you the new trailer. We just got it picked up. We just got all of the tags and all that kind of stuff done, so we're going to be getting those on here. Hopefully by next week we're going to have the new toy that you're going to see on this trailer. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Don't miss out on anything to come. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.